We can help through the protection plan membership and services. Access the credit restoration program to dispute inaccuracies on credit reports. This service includes guidance on improving credit scores and tools to simplify the process. Activate the credit monitoring service to stay on top of your credit score changes and receive alerts from any unusual activity. This credit restoration program guides users to pull their credit reports through the membership platform and begin their credit repair process with support and restoration experts. When you use the protection plan, you can enjoy